It continues phase 1A of its COVID-19 vaccine rollout, giving first priority to healthcare workers and those over the age of 70. The high demand for the vaccine is leading to a slower rollout than some had hoped for, but today in Anderson County, more than 500 people got their first dose. Fox Carolina's Zach Prelutsky is live outside of the Anderson Civic Center tonight. And Zach, I know there's lots of logistics here when it comes to a clinic like this.
Yeah, and Shale, really for the last 10 months, you think about here at the Anderson Civic Center, it's pretty much sat empty because of the pandemic. However, today more than 500 people came here, mostly over the age of 70, receiving their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. One man that we spoke with said he was thankful to get the opportunity to come here today.
George Eichler was one of around 500 people who received their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine at the Anderson Civic Center on Saturday.
Well, hopefully we're getting close to having a normal life. That's the main thing I think we all look forward to.
A partnership between AnMed Health and Anderson County made the vaccination clinic possible as South Carolina gets deeper into phase 1A of its vaccine rollout plan.
The quicker we get this out, the quicker we can see an improvement in the number of COVID-19 patients that are in our community. That being said, it's also important that regardless of how quickly we may want it, there are processes that we have to follow to maintain safety while we give that vaccine.
To keep up with social distancing and because supply of the vaccine is limited, the clinic was appointment only for the 500 plus people who got the shot. AnMed officials say appointments for Saturday were fully booked a while ago. As a matter of fact, all appointments for a vaccine through the end of the month have already been booked. Eichler says the first dose was painless and, quote, very nice to have.
Safety. Want to get as much protection as we can get.
According to DHEC, South Carolina has received more than 300,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, but has only administered 155,000 as of Saturday. Health officials want people to remain patient with the hopes that events like this clinic can help speed up the rate of vaccinations.
It has worked very well. It has been an overwhelming response from the community, very positive comments from those who have gone through the process, and we look forward to having these in the future.
Now, the COVID-19 vaccine is administered in 2 separate doses given 3 weeks apart. AnMed Health officials say the people who came here today for their first dose were automatically scheduled while they were here for that second dose in a few weeks. For now, reporting live in Anderson, Zach Prelutsky, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.